In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale image in Lovart. If you've ever had a photo that looked a little soft or too small for your project, upscaling can make a dramatic difference by increasing resolution and restoring crisp detail. Lovart makes this process quick and approachable, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your browser and head to Lovart's homepage. This is where you'll land before starting any design work. Once you're there, look for the New Project button. Click it to create a fresh workspace. This opens a blank canvas where you can bring in your image and access Lovart's enhancement tools. Think of it as your control room for everything you're about to do. Inside the canvas, locate the upload icon. It usually looks like a cloud or an arrow and is positioned along the sidebar or toolbar. Click the upload icon to begin bringing your image into the project. When you see the option labeled Upload Image, select it. Choose the file you want to enhance from your computer. For best results, start with the highest quality version you have. Formats like PNG or high-resolution JPGs generally upscale more cleanly. Once your image is on the canvas, click directly on it. This will reveal context options for that element. Among those, choose Upscale. Lovart's AI will prepare to enhance the resolution, smoothing edges, recovering fine textures, and reducing artifacts while preserving the overall look of the image. This is especially useful for social graphics, print layouts, or anywhere you need extra sharpness. Next, you'll be asked to choose a quality setting. Click the level that best matches your needs. Lower or standard settings process faster and keep file sizes smaller, which is great for web use. Higher settings push for more detail and clarity, ideal when you need a clean result for larger displays or print. Keep in mind that higher quality may take a bit longer to process and can increase the final file size. After you select the quality, Lovart will run the upscale and place the enhanced version right on your canvas. You should notice cleaner lines, improved texture, and fewer jagged edges, especially around text, faces, and intricate patterns. If the result looks a bit too sharp for your taste, consider choosing a slightly lower quality next time. If it still isn't crisp enough, try a higher setting. And that's it. You've successfully upscaled an image in Lovart. By starting a new project, uploading your file, selecting upscale, and choosing the right quality level, you can quickly turn a small or soft image into something clear and ready for your design.